In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Cname on Namecheap. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to your Namecheap account. Begin by clicking on Account. This will take you to the login page. Here, you will need to type in your username and password. Remember, it's essential to protect your login information to keep your account secure. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In and Continue. This will log you into your Namecheap dashboard, giving you access to all your domain settings and configurations. Now that we're inside the dashboard, it's time to find the domain you want to manage. Look for the dashboard link specifically tailored for domain management. Follow that to open a comprehensive view of your domain settings. From here, we'll proceed by clicking on Manage beside the domain in question. This will take us to a more detailed submenu where we can fine-tune our domain features. Next, look for an option labeled Advanced DNS. By clicking on this, you'll enter a section dedicated to more technical settings such as creating new DNS records. Don't worry if this looks a bit daunting, I'll help you through it. Here, our goal is to set up a new Cname record. Once you're in Advanced DNS, find the button that says Add New Record. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Cname Record. Cname records are vital for pointing your domain to another address, such as a subdomain or an external server. This can be incredibly useful for various reasons, including website management and email functionality. After selecting Cname Record, you'll be prompted to fill out some details. First, type in the host name. This will usually be a subdomain that you want to associate with another address. It's important to ensure the hostname is precisely what you need, as it defines where your Cname will direct. Following that, you need to enter the target IP address or URL that your Cname will point to. This is where the specified host will be redirected. Double check to ensure that you've entered the correct IP address or URL destination. Accuracy here is crucial to avoid any disruptions. Finally, once all your information is entered, find that Save Changes button and click it. This will ensure your new Cname record is created and properly saved. It might take a little time for DNS changes to propagate across the web, typically anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. And there you have it, you've successfully added a Cname to your domain on Namecheap. With a bit of guidance and patience, you can manage your domain settings effectively and take advantage of all the flexibility Namecheap offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.